Assalamualaikum. My name is Widi Mutakin. I am the CEO of Expose 3D Visualization and Blast to Code Game Studio. These images are some of my works. I started learning computer graphics back in 1995. Besides doing business, I am also a lecturer in computer graphic disciplines at several academies since 2001. In my journey of doing business and teaching computer graphics, I have created hundreds of computer graphic images like this. I have worked with clients across the globe and also teach hundreds of professionals in creative industry. If you want to learn how to create computer graphic images like this from zero, meaning no prior experience needed, I have a good news for you. I have authored an online course about 3D visualization for beginners at udemy.com. After completing this course, inshallah, you will be a job-ready person for 3D visualization jobs. I have tested and refined the curriculum more than a decade. Some of my students can finish the course in only 4 days. And trust me, if in 4 days you become a job-ready person, that is fast. Some of you might be asking, why should I learn 3D for architecture? I am not an architect nor interior designer. I want to learn 3D for other fun stuffs like game design or visual effect. Well, here are my answers. First, you will learn from this course the fundamental of 3D that will be applicable to any kind of industry, not just for architecture. Second, if you are in game design, most likely somewhere along the line you will need to model game levels. Or if you are in visual effect industry, you will need to create environments or virtual sets. And for that purpose, guess what? Your architectural skill will be very helpful. The third reason, and the most important one in my opinion, is that there are so many architectural projects happening in this world. If you drive around in your town or anywhere else, you will see houses are being built, also apartments, office buildings, shopping mall, stadium, etc. And each of these projects, they all need 3D visualization before they are built in real life. I have data to back up that the market for architectural projects are 10 times bigger than the media and entertainment projects worldwide. Okay? In this online course, we're going to cover the essential stuff of using 3ds Max and then move on to the more advanced stuff. So, if you never used 3ds Max before, this course is designed for you. We will start in learning the 3ds Max user interface, how to navigate the viewport, creating and manipulating objects in terms of transformation and deformation using modifier. We're going to learn the difference between primitive versus editable objects. We're going to reveal the important concepts of 3D software in general and those that are specific to 3ds Max. After learning the essentials, we're going to move forward to 3D modeling techniques. The first technique we're going to learn is polygon-based modeling techniques. We're going to use norms and understanding the norms' behavior. After that, we're going to create some objects to practice the techniques. After mastering the polygon-based modeling, we're going to move on to spline-based modeling. We're going to reveal the Bezier handle concept in spline editing, how we can use modifiers to convert spline into geometry, modifiers such as extrude, bevel profile, lathe, etc. After we understand the basic concept, we're going to create several 3D objects using spline-based modeling techniques we discussed before. After we master the two main groups of modeling techniques, we're going to apply them into modeling an interior scene from scratch. We're going to start modeling from the main room model, the floor, the wall, the ceiling, the window, etc. After that, we're going to move on to fixed furniture such as TV cabinet, then the loose furniture such as sofa, the coffee table, and so forth. After modeling, we're going to learn about the basic concept of material, texture, UV mapping, and lighting using a new GI renderer engine called Corona. You might be asking, why use Corona renderer? Well, the short answer is that Corona renderer is amazing. It is super easy for anyone to start learning. The price tag is not expensive, yet the rendering speed and the quality of it is just fantastic. We are going to create every material in our project scene one by one. Then we add lights into it And after rendering, we're going to discuss some post-processing techniques with Photoshop. We're going to add background and some glow effects and other stuff in Photoshop. This is the image of our final project, and I will guarantee, inshallah, that you'll be able to create this image if you follow all of the lessons in this course step by step. I designed the course with love and passion, and I really hope that this online course will transform your life for the better. Wassalamualaikum.